ESC 2075 Group C question number 18. Verify experimentally the relationship between circumferences angle BAN and center angle BIN standing on the same arc BN of a circle. Two circles having radii at least 3 cm are necessary. So we have to verify experimentally here. So what experimentally we have to verify is the circumference relation between the circumference angle and the central angle standing on the same arc of a circle, right? So we should have at least two circles having radius of minimum 3 centimeter. Now before that we know theoretically, right? Theoretically, so we know theoretically that central angle equals to twice double into angle at circumference. Angle at circumference. Now we should prove this experimentally. So experimentally, should write here experimental proof, right? So in experimental proof or experimental verification, whatever you can write experimental proof or verification. Now let us do. So what are the procedures here for experimental verification? Procedure, first step is draw two circles. Draw two circles having radii at least 3 centimeter. So you have to draw the two circles using your compass. So if this is your center, you have to take length of minimum 3 centimeter. So let us take this one as 3 centimeter minimum, which we can take, and we'll place our one side of our compass on the center O, and then other one side of the compass means where we place our pencil on the other side, and we'll make a circle. So we'll make like this. This is our circle, and the other one, another circle. So let us see, this is our center O, and radius is 4 centimeter. This we have to measure from scale, and by placing the compass on the center O and the other side at the end here, we will again draw another circle. So let us assume this is another circle here. So these are the two circles. So I'm not sure whether this is a good circle or not. Let me draw it once again. This I'm drawing here by hand, but you have to draw using a compass. Alright, so it seems we have two circles, right? So here what we can do is, let us assume question has given standing on the same arc BN. Let us assume B and N is an arc. Here also B and N is arc, right? So the angle made by the arc BN on the center. So this is angle BON. This is what we call as central angle. This one, angle BON, and angle made by the same arc on the circumference, right? Here the question has asked about relationship between circumference angle and the central angle. So let us assume this is a circumference here. This circumference is, suppose, assume as Q, or we can write this circumference as C, circumference point C. Then let us draw another angle here on the circumference. So this is, sorry, so this is another angle BCN. So our central angle is BON and another angle is BCN. So what we need to do is, we can take any values, any point here on the circumference, and we have to draw the line with the help of scale. So we can use a scale to join points between B and C. So here this is another angle as a circumference, that is angle BCN. Similarly, here in the next circle, the bigger circle having radius 4 centimeter, so we can join the points. We can take this BN as any arc length, so it's not mandatory. So we can join points by using scale. We can join points B and O, and then further we can join points O and N using scale. And let us take any side. Let us take this one as our point C. Now let us join B and C using scale. So here I am doing from my hand. So it's not perfect, but you have to do from your scale. So you have to join lines using your scale. You have to measure the angle using protractor. So this is my central angle. This is my angle at the circumference BCN. All the things that you have to draw in a pen, using pen and paper or pencil and paper, and you have to draw using pencil and paper using with the help of compass and scale. Alright, so no hand measurement here. I don't have these instruments, so just for showing you guys I am using my hand sketch. So this is our figure. Now let us move to the second step. In the second step is, after drawing this figure and all the central angle and the angle at the circumference, so you can write here, draw central angle and angle at the circumference. Draw central angle and angle at the circumference using scales. Now this we have already done. Now let's move to the third step. Our third step is measure angles. Measure central angle, angle BON, and angle at the circumference, that is angle BCN using protractor. So you should use protractor to measure the angle BON and angle BCN. Now let us tabulate the results. Our fourth step is tabulate the results. So we'll tabulate the results. Let's make a table here. So this is my table, and this gives my figure, which is figure 1 or 2. Let us say this one is figure 1 and this one is my figure 2. Figure, and then I have my central angle. Central angle is angle BON, and my angle at the circumference, that is angle BCN, and my result. So what is my result here, right? So let us do figure 1 and then figure 2, right? Now in figure 1, so you can use protractor to measure the angle BON. So whenever you use protractor and measure the angle, let's see, this you got angle as 60 degree. This you have to obtain from using protractor, right? This you have to obtain using protractor, angle BON. So this is 60 degree, angle BON is 60 degree, and angle BCN, whenever you use protractor, it should come 30 degree exactly. If your measurements, if your scales are correct, you will get 30 degree as angle BCN in first. So our result is, let us make it this little big. Let us erase this part. Now let me make this one bigger. So here angle BON is 2 times angle BCN, right? So similarly in second figure, if you use protractor to measure the angle BON, let's assume you got angle as 100 degree. So whenever you use again protractor to measure the angle BCN, you should get angle 50 degree as its measurement. So our central angle is here 100 and our circumference angle is 50 degree. This we obtained from measurements, right, using protractor. Here also we'll get the result as angle BON is 2 times angle BCN, right? So from these two figure, now we have our procedure. In the procedure we obtained the results here in this tabulated form in fourth step. And what is our conclusion? We can write here as conclusion. So what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is angle at the center is double to the angle at the circumference of a circle, right, standing on the same arc. This you should not forget, standing on the same arc. So this is our experimental verification, and which we have done in our theorems to prove this theorem theoretically, right? But here we did experimentally through measurements. We did every measurements using compass and protractor. So this is our result. Thank you.